Hello students. Today let us discuss participants in derivatives market. So mainly hedgers, speculators and arbitrages. The first hedgers. So these are traders who wish to protect themselves. Okay, they are wish to protect themselves from the risk and uncertainty involved in price movement. So they try to hedge their position by entering into an exact opposite trade, and they pass the risk to those who are interested to bear the same. So by doing this, they try to get rid of the uncertainty associated with the price. So hedgers, they use the futures and options derivatives to reduce or to eliminate the risk associated with a price of an asset in the market. So the most of the producers and trading companies participate in the derivative market to shift or reduce the price risk in the underlying asset market to secure anticipated profit. So here the main intention of the hedger to eliminate or reduce the price risk. The next point, speculators. So the speculators, so they are extremely high risk seekers. They anticipate future price movements in the hope of making large and quick gains. The motive here is to take maximum advantage of the price fluctuations. So they play a very key role in the market by absorbing excess risk, and also they provide liquidity in the market uh, which normal investors they don't participate. So the speculators are they are called risk seeking traders or investors, risk seeking traders or investors. So they are willing to assume risk by taking future position with the expectation to earn profit. I repeat, so they are willing to assume high risk, okay, by uh, taking future position with the expectation to earn profit. So they have specialized expertise in forecasting the future economic condition. They can predict the directions of the market movements, and accordingly they take the position, short or long. So speculators only have a particular view about future price of commodities, shares, stock, index, etc. So they consider various factors like demand, supply, market condition, interest, economic fundamentals, international events, etc. And accordingly they make a prediction, and they take the maximum advantage of the price fluctuations. Next point, arbitrages. Here the arbitrage trading, it involves buying a commodity or security at a low price in one market and selling it a high price in the other market. I repeat, the arbitrager, they buy the commodity or security at low price in one market and sell in another market at high price. So in this way, you are benefited by the differences in the prices of the commodity in the two different markets. So the arbitrage, it is a simultaneous purchase and sale of the same underlying in two different markets with an object to make a profit from price differences between two market. So they take the maximum advantage of the price differences in the between two market. So they simultaneously purchase and sell the same underlying. That is very important. They simultaneously purchase and sell the same assets underlyings. Okay. So that is what arbitrage. So take for example, a stock is traded in both Mumbai Stock Exchange and Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange. The following, for example, quotes have been obtained on a particular day. So Mumbai Stock Exchange, the share price rupees 177 per share. Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange 170 per share. I repeat, Mumbai Stock Exchange 177 rupees per share, Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange 170 per share. Now the arbitrage strategy: buy shares in Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange because the share price in Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange is 170, so they buy from Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange and they sell shares in Mumbai Stock Exchange because their shares can be sold at rupees 177. So they buy at rupees 170 and they sell at rupees 177. So this is what arbitrage activity. Thank you.